Hi, I'm Rachel, and today we're going to be going over how to use manipulatives to teach math to LD students. So manipulatives are a great way to have a hands-on approach to students who might have a bit of a learning disability. So for example, there's things like number grids are really fun, and flashcards. There's also dice. You can roll dice and you can count the dice. You can have the students add the dice. You can have them multiply it. One thing that I think is fun to do is have two dice. You multiply the numbers after you roll the two, and then you roll a third and divide that number into the two that you multiplied together. That's really fun. If you're teaching like area and perimeter, you can go outside and you can have the students measure different shapes that are on the playgrounds. Like for example, there's often like Foursquare. You can have them measure the different squares. There's hopscotch. You can have them calculate the area or perimeter of all those different squares. You can also take chalk and have them draw different shapes. From a square to a triangle to a circle, and calculate the area or circumference of the circle, and this way they're drawing it and it's much more hands-on, and this can be a great way for that for them to get that in their brains while still remaining focused and interested in what they're learning. I'm Rachel, and thank you for learning with us today.